I'm working on my Camaro here. I'm gonna change out the radiator. Also the harmonic, replace the harmonic balancer. Got the radiator harmonic balancer out, and also I'm gonna change these oil pan. So I already removed it. The easier way to do this for me is to unbolt the engine mount on the driver's side over here. You can see it there. There's 3 bolts that holding down that engine mount. Unbolt it, use a 3-ton jack, put it underneath those arm of the engine mount, and jack it up so you can get enough clear so you could be able to remove the oil pan. So, and also you're gonna have to remove these transmission dust cover and the starter, pretty much, in order to get access. So I already removed the starter and then this transmission cover. So just that's it. Easy way, easy peasy. Good luck if you try and tackle on it. So I'm just waiting for parts to come in. I'm gonna install a new oil pan cover. So once it come in, I'm gonna install it. So.